Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a form in Asana. So the first step will be navigate to your project section and open up a new project that you want to actually create form in. So then go right here to customize and click on it. This will pop up this menu where you have the option to create new form. So click on forms and then add a new form with this button. Now, as you can see, only other users in your Asana in this instance will be able to see your form during your free trial. So keep in mind that you have to pay for it. Now here you can add a cover image for this form. You can name it right here if you want, and add form description. So you can add a description. Here you can add a name, email address, and so on. Another question right here. So just create a new question and add it like so. You can see how you can add it. And simply you can add attachment if you want, or some fields like so. Here you have some settings if you want, and then simply press publish. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.